Greetings. We reached the last part of the book of Matthew. I want you to understand. So the same power where Jesus have, him give to me and you. If you go spread the good news all over the world and teach people how God want them to live. So then, if you really want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with everybody where you know. And if at this point you still not subscribe yet, or if this is the first time you watch one of them video, then click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will not miss none of what I go on right here, so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Matthew chapter 28 from verse 16 to verse 20. So Jesus 11 followers them go to Galilee at the mountain where him did tell them to go. When them see him, them worship him. But some of them ain't too sure if him. Then Jesus come say to them, say, God give me power over everything where I live in a heaven and upon earth. So go on, use for me power, teach me message to people everywhere, so they can turn me follower too. And use the power where the Father, the boy picnic, and the Holy Spirit give and baptize them. Go and go teach them to listen and follow all of the rule them when me go now. And remember, me no left uno none at all. Me dey which part uno dey till time done. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.